Ever finished a tile job only to notice ugly lippage staring back at you? Today, we're breaking down the best tile leveling systems that help you get perfectly flat, professional-looking tile installations every single time. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro installer, these tools can save you time, frustration, and costly mistakes. So let's dive in. Achieving perfectly aligned tiles without lippage is a challenge for both DIYers and professional installers. The Konigeehre tile leveling system makes this process easier and faster by providing precise leveling for wall and floor tiles. The kit includes 1,000 disposable spacer clips, 200 reusable wedges, and a durable tile plier. Designed for tiles ranging from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch thick, it ensures a minimum grout gap of 1/16 inch, delivering a clean, consistent finish. The sturdy plastic construction of the clips ensures strong holding pressure to prevent tile movement while mortar sets. The reusable wedges are durable and can withstand multiple uses, reducing the cost of repeated projects. Customers praise the system's value and effectiveness, noting that it simplifies alignment for both small and large format tiles. Some users do mention that the spacer clips can be challenging to snap off cleanly, but overall, the kit performs well under typical installation conditions. This system is particularly appreciated for its professional-level results, strong build quality, and time-saving efficiency, making it a reliable solution for anyone seeking precise, level tile installations. Ensuring tiles remain flat during installation is key to achieving a professional finish. The DGSL leveling system with Plier is designed to streamline the tile laying process and maintain perfect alignment on floors and walls. The set contains 600 disposable leveling clips, 200 reusable wedges, and a sturdy aluminum tile plier with ergonomic iron handles for efficient clamping. Supporting tiles between 1/8 inch and 1/2 inch thick, it allows for a minimum grout gap of 1/8 inch. The reusable wedges hold tiles firmly, preventing movement during mortar curing and helping achieve a lippage-free finish. The aluminum plier is engineered for strength and comfort, reducing fatigue during extended projects. Users frequently note that the system works exceptionally well for large format tiles, making grouting easier and more consistent. While most customers find installation straightforward, some report mixed experiences with clip removal if not positioned correctly. Overall, the DGSL system is praised for its durable build, effectiveness, and efficiency, providing excellent value for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers who demand reliable, high-quality tools for achieving perfectly level tile surfaces. Maintaining consistent tile alignment is critical for a smooth, professional installation. The Beloosye tile leveling system offers an upgraded kit that combines durability, efficiency, and ease of use for both floor and wall projects. The set includes 600 disposable clips, 200 reinforced reusable wedges, and a sturdy tile plier with a return spring design that reduces hand strain during prolonged use. The clips accommodate tiles from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch thick and maintain a 1/8 inch minimum grout joint. Constructed from high-quality PVC, the clips resist deformation, while the wedges feature a lengthened, widened design for improved wear resistance and repeated reuse. Customers frequently praise the system's ease of installation and removal, especially for larger formats such as 12 by 24 tiles or bathroom walls. Some users do note that the yellow wedges can break under excessive pressure, but overall, the system provides reliable leveling and alignment. Its combination of thoughtful design, durable materials, and practical accessories makes it ideal for both novice tilers and experienced professionals seeking precise, fast, and consistent results with minimal effort. Properly leveling tiles during installation improves both appearance and efficiency. The Storystore tile leveling system ensures that tiles remain evenly spaced and flat, helping installers achieve a professional finish with less effort. The kit comes with 600 disposable leveling clips, 200 reusable wedges, a tile plier, and a hammer, providing a comprehensive setup without the need for additional tools. It supports a 1/8 inch grout gap and works well for small to medium-sized tiles, while larger formats benefit from increased clip usage. The reusable wedges are designed to hold tiles securely in place, providing stability during mortar curing. Customers appreciate the professional results, noting that the system improves installation speed and surface flatness. Some reviews mention difficulty when removing clips and occasional breakage during cleanup. but most users consider this minor compared to the benefits of consistent tile alignment. Overall, the Storystore system delivers reliable performance, solid build quality, and practical convenience. It is a cost-effective and efficient solution for both home improvement enthusiasts and professional tile installers seeking a versatile leveling system that reduces lippage and produces visually pleasing tile layouts. Creating uniform grout lines and preventing tile movement can significantly enhance the final look of any installation. The Emaistore tile leveling system provides precision and control for both floor and wall projects, including medium to large tiles. This kit includes 330 16th-inch spacers and 300 reusable wedges, ensuring tiles remain level and properly aligned throughout the installation process. The wedges are durable and reusable, delivering even pressure across tile edges while minimizing the risk of slippage or uneven surfaces. Users report faster installation times and reduced effort compared to traditional methods, highlighting the system's ease of use and efficiency. The system works effectively with ceramic, porcelain, and stone tiles, making it suitable for residential or professional projects. Customer feedback frequently praises the quality and reliability of the components, emphasizing the smooth, lippage-free results. Designed for long-term usability and consistent performance, the Emaistore leveling system provides excellent value for money. It combines strong build quality, practical design, and professional-level performance, making it a dependable tool for achieving flawless tile installations. Large-scale tile projects require reliable, consistent leveling clips to maintain accuracy. The DGSL tile leveling system supplies 2,000 disposable spacer clips designed to hold tiles firmly during installation. Compatible with tile thicknesses from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, the clips allow for grout joints greater than 1/8 inch, providing flexibility for various tile sizes and layouts. Made from high-quality PVC, these clips feature a defined breaking point, making them easier to remove after mortar sets. Users report that the clips are durable during installation and effectively prevent slippage, ensuring level surfaces across walls and floors. While some feedback mentions the clips can be slightly thinner than expected, many appreciate the clean break design that simplifies cleanup. The bulk package is ideal for professionals who already have wedges and pliers and need a cost-effective solution for large-scale projects. Overall, the DGSL clips-only system offers durability, ease of use, and consistent performance, making it a reliable choice for maintaining precision and efficiency in extensive tile installations. Thanks for watching. If this helped you tile like a pro, hit like, subscribe, and check the links below.